Today we're going to talk about the big updates that Celebrity announced yesterday, as well as some other onboard updates, along with a couple of things to do with cruising that I think really highlight why I'm not going to stop going on cruises no matter what they do with their pricing. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips, and today is Wednesday. It is August 30th of 2023. I would like to start off by inviting you to please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate your support, and I think that you will really enjoy being a part of our amazing Let's Go family and the whole cruise community here. Also, if you appreciate these updates, would you please give this video a thumbs up? That really helps us out as well. Now, I want to start off with those updates by Celebrity, and there's kind of this whole big thing that goes with it. Remember a few weeks ago when Royal Caribbean was out there teasing that they were going to charge for pizza? Everybody got, put their opinion in about it, and everybody had a lot to say about it. And then it was announced that Celebrity was going to start charging for their cookies. And the really interesting thing is yesterday in the call, and I don't know how much of it honestly is backpedaling or if they just took a page out of Royal Caribbean's playbook, because they are all part of the Royal Caribbean group there. But yesterday during their call, Celebrity said, we only did that on 2 ships, and everyone seemed so displeased about it that we're discontinuing that. They said, oh, it was just a pilot to see how it goes, but they are no longer going to be charging for those cookies, which is probably a step in the right direction. Really interesting though, as I listened to that call that they had yesterday, it is really clear, very clear, that Celebrity is heading a different direction now. And a few of the things that are changes with what they announced, I wanted to let you know. So first of all, historically, that all-included package has been your classic beverage package, that basic Wi-Fi, and the gratuities. That's what it has been. Well, the gratuities are no longer going to be a part of that. And from what I can tell, at least for the time being, gratuities are going to be their own thing. They're not going to be a part of a package. So if you book a cruise after October 4th and you want to have the all-included package, you're going to pay that amount and you're going to get the basic Wi-Fi and the classic beverage package. Then you're just going to have to pay your gratuities on the side. The other thing that they announced with that is that if you are going to book a cabin in the retreat area on board the ship, they are going to include some amenities. And this is only available for cruises that are booked after October 4th and sail after October 4th of this year. The retreat will start having the premium drinks are going to be included, the premium Wi-Fi will be included, and exclusive retreat amenity access to all guests in the stateroom. So they are tweaking what is available to guests in the retreat and adding on those beverage packages and the premium Wi-Fi. When I was on Celebrity, the difference to me between the basic and the premium Wi-Fi is with the basic, I could look at my email and I think I could look at social media, but I couldn't stream a video. I couldn't log into really secure websites. All of those things I couldn't do. The Wi-Fi calling didn't work great. It would cut out an awful lot if I tried to do that, and so that's why I upgraded to the premium. So it's nice that when they're going to include something for this week guests that's that in the retreat there, that's what they do. Another thing that they announced that goes with this, which to me, I can't really figure out what the difference is, because all the time, any time you book a cruise there with Celebrity, you could choose if you wanted the all-included or not. Well, in the Aqua class, they list as one of the things you can either do that all-included rate or a no-perk rate. And then they are also changing a little bit what they're going to do if you have a group. And so from their group pricing is going to include that all-included package from now on. And so there's different things you can do with groups, but that is one of the things that they announced with it. So I just thought I would bring you up to date on that. It's really interesting, and it's so interesting as you listen to these different calls that the different cruise lines do. It is really all in how they put the spin on it, right? Anyone who has, and I guess it could be the spin I put on things too. and with all of us, Tony and Dawn and everybody who talks about cruising, it's kind of the way that you see it. But with the cruise lines, they just put it under the heading of not charging more, but just with giving you more options. And so clearly they're just needing to earn more money and have those gratuities paid in addition to the all-included package. So those of you who are going to book a cruise with Celebrity soon, let us know any differences that you notice. We have our group cruise on the Celebrity Silhouette going October 11th of 2024. That's an excellent itinerary. I'm really hoping that we get to go everywhere that is on our itinerary. If not, then we'll put in somewhere else wonderful. But I am really excited to go on that ship. It's the Celebrity Silhouette. So if you want the all-included package like it is now, go ahead and let me know. Send me an email, and we'll get that booking made before they take the gratuities out of the all-included package. Okay. Really quickly, I wanted to share with you also, we have a Let's Go family member that just got off of Norwegian, and I love all of these comparisons. He was sailing on the Norwegian Sky, which is one of Norwegian's smaller ships. I love that he said that the food was excellent. That is awesome. The last time we were on Norwegian, I thought the food was fine, and I'm generally not too hard to please. I know the difference between very nice food and fine food. It was fine. It was okay. But so I am really excited that it was excellent. He said that the entertainment was a little bit more sparse, but that he would go on Norwegian again. Someone who traditionally enjoys Princess. He said the service was not the same, and it's not. Princess is amazing with their onboard service. I was speaking on the phone yesterday with someone, and you hear all of the things that management is doing, and customer service on the phone is hard, all of these things, but you know what? When you get on the ship, that shipboard experience with Princess is wonderful, and I think it is very much a rare instance when it's not wonderful. So just things to look forward to. Now, something else I wanted to tell you about, one of the places that is on my bucket list is to go to the Northwest Passage. And the last few days, I have been thinking a lot about all of these changes that cruise lines are making. And, there's so much conversation about it. And some of the things we don't like, some things we don't care. It's really interesting how that works. But Gordon and I have talked about this a lot between each other. And one of the things that really stands out is just the ability to go places that you would not be able to go in any other way. And I came across these two news items that I think really highlights it, and I thought you would enjoy hearing about it as well. So first of all, Hurtigruten, they have two hybrid electric ships, and they met in the Northwest Passage this week. So two of the ships. So the Roald Amundsen, which, by the way, he was the very first explorer to navigate the Northwest Passage. He did that, I want to say from 1903 to 1906. But he is amazing. What an explorer he was. So they named one of their ships after him, and the other one is called the Fridtjof Nansen, and they crossed paths for the very first time in the Northwest Passage on August 28th, so just a couple of days ago. And here is what I love. So Hurtigruten, if you're not really familiar with them, they have expedition ships that go to different locations all over the world. And then they also run a lot of cruises in Norway and go up the coast there. Some of their cruises are almost like a ferry system. You could say that people will get off in one and get off in another one. It is remarkable. They run different kinds. But anyway, they have been doing that since 1896. And I love, here's what their CEO said. As the founders of expedition cruising in 1896, we are born explorers, taking generations of travelers into the unknown. That sums up to me why I'm going to keep cruising. I'll just decide what drinks I want to pay for. I'll decide whatever else I want to pay for out of something I have to decide, but I am still going to go on cruises. And it's going to range from everything in the Caribbean to relax and enjoy, clear to getting to go places. Hopefully someday I will get to go to the Northwest Passage. If you missed our videos, Gordon's been trying to get caught up with editing. We put some up on Sunday of Antarctica, and there is nothing like going and seeing these far-flung places that are so beautiful and just a really special place to see. And so I want to hear in the comments below why you're not going to stop cruising. What is it that you love about cruising so much that you will continue to go, as you have to decide, are you going to pay for this package or that package or no package, and just everything that has to do with the changes that are coming to cruising today. The last thing that kind of goes along with this is Seabourne is now doing some sailings, and Seabourne is owned by Carnival Corporation. They are going to do sailings through the Northwest Passage as well, and right now they are actually on their very first one, and it's going from a port in Greenland, and they are going to end up over in Nome, Alaska on, I think it's, September 17th. So it is really, really exciting. All of these options that are coming online with cruise ships, all the opportunities to see things, it just makes me, it really inspires me to learn more, to be better, and it changes who I am. So let me hear in the comments what you think about what it does for you and why you're going to keep cruising. I wanted to give you all a quick update about our family here, just so if you understand that things are a little different for the next couple of days. So our daughter is coming into town this evening, and our son, who lives far away, and his family are coming tomorrow, and we had planned out this week of time just to really enjoy to be together, and we surely will. But this morning we received the news that Gordon's brother unexpectedly passed away. So you wonder why I'm telling you this. It's because you all are remarkable. And if you feel so inclined, will you keep Gordon in your prayers? It's just a hard thing. We have hope. We have faith in Jesus Christ. We know everything is okay. But it's just really hard when you miss someone. So I just wanted to put that out there and kind of let you know what's going on around our house a little bit. But I sure love and appreciate all of you, and we are honored to be here with you and look forward to seeing you here every day. So I will be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.